Something terrified Apple. For the last 10 years, they were comfortable sitting at the top, selling $1,000 phones to people who could afford them. They let Android have the budget market. They let Chromebooks take over schools. They let cheap Windows laptops dominate the entry level. But leaks coming out regarding the spring 2026 event prove that the sleeping giant has finally woken up, and they aren't just releasing new products. They are declaring total war on the budget tech industry. If you thought the iPhone 16 was a big deal, you're looking in the wrong place. The real revolution is happening this March, and it is going to destroy the resale value of every mid-range device you currently own. We are looking at a coordinated three-pronged attack that changes everything we know about cheap tech. Let's be real for a second. Apple's budget options have always been a joke. The old iPhone SE looked like a fossil from 2017. The entry-level iPad was boring. And a cheap MacBook didn't even exist. That ends now. The leaked roadmap for spring 2026 shows that Apple is tired of losing customers who can't afford the Pro models. They're about to release a lineup that is so overpowered for the price, it almost doesn't make sense. And the scariest part for competitors? They are putting their most powerful engines inside their cheapest cars. The tip of the spear is the iPhone 17e. Note the name change. It's not just an SE anymore. It's an evolution. The leaks suggest Apple is doing the unthinkable. They are taking the A19 chip, the absolute bleeding-edge processor destined for the flagship iPhone 17 Pro later this year, and jamming it into a phone that costs a fraction of the price. Think about the insanity of that. You will potentially have a $599 phone that is faster than a $1,200 Samsung Galaxy Ultra. This isn't just an upgrade. It is a humiliation for the competition. Then there's the silent guardian of this strategy, the 12th generation iPad. This isn't just a tablet. It is an AI Trojan horse. We know Apple Intelligence is the future, but it requires heavy specs. You need RAM. You need neural engines. Apple is expected to equip the new base iPad with the A18 chip and, crucially, 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is the magic number. They aren't doing this to be nice. They're doing this so that every single person, even the kid with the cheapest iPad, gets hooked on Apple's AI features. Once you start using their writing tools, their image generators, and their smart Siri, you can't leave. It locks you in. When you step back and look at the spring 2026 event as a WH, you see the terrifying brilliance of it. For a combined cost of roughly $1,600 to $1,700, you can get the Holy Trinity: the iPhone 17e, the iPad 12, and the A-series MacBook. That is less than the price of one high-end laptop from a few years ago. Apple is creating a walled garden that is no longer expensive to enter. It is cheap, it is powerful, and it is beautiful. This is going to squeeze the life out of the mid-range Android market. Why buy a plastic mid-range phone when the same money buys you an iPhone with the world's fastest chip? This event is going to be historical. It marks the moment Apple decided that premium doesn't have to mean expensive. It marks the moment they decided to eat the entire market from the bottom up. If you're holding onto an old device, or if you were planning to switch to Android to save money, I'm telling you to wait. Give a few months. The landscape of technology is about to shift beneath our feet. The only question left is, are you ready to switch? Does a laptop powered by a phone chip scare you? Or do you think it is the future of portable computing? And is the iPhone 17e finally the device that makes you upgrade? I want to hear your theories in the comments. This is going to be a controversial launch, and I want to know whose side you are on. If you enjoyed